Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matthew. In case you don't know who I am, I'd like to welcome you to this channel where we talk about day trading, investing in cryptocurrencies and stocks. If you are interested in a free group where we do talk about this, there's over 2,500 of us. It's the first link in the description. We'd love to chat with you there. So, this video we're going to be talking about the new challenge. We just finished the July challenge to see how much we could grow zero point 0.1 Bitcoin. And grow it in dollar value, and we are starting a new one on a smaller level to get more people involved, and we're going to make it last longer. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about that now and what it looks like moving forward. So this challenge is not just for one exchange. You can use any exchange that you're wanting to use that you normally frequent. The only requirements of the challenge are, one, that you start ASAP, right? So it's August 2nd. I should have started it yesterday, August 1st, but it's August 2nd. But try and start it within this next week, if not today. You're using 0.01 Bitcoin. As of right now, that's worth about $75. So very small capital investment, and we're going to see what we can do by the end of 2018. So this challenge is going to last about 4 months long. I wanted it to last about a quarter of the year. And I wanted to see what we could do with just a measly $75 and see how much we can make it grow or lose it, whatever happens in the next 4 months, right? So it's going to be very interesting because my trading strategies are going to have to change a little bit based on just like the amount of capital I'm using. It's small, so my trades are going to have to be safe in order to not lose my investment, but large in order to make some money. And then as we grow our account, it's going to have to become safer and smarter. So it's going to be very interesting to see how it plays out. But I'm really excited about it, and I want to invite you to join me in this challenge in my Discord, which is the first link in the description. We're going to have a lot of people in on the challenge there, so you can talk strategy, your winnings, your losses. We want to be open about how we're doing throughout this next 4 months, to show people that it is possible to make money day trading or swing trading or whatever you're into. If you just want to buy and hold, if you think it's going to reach 20K, then you could double your money or triple your money, right? So that's kind of the idea. Moving forward, I did talk about this briefly about how I was going to do a new challenge. So this is it, guys. This is the new challenge. Starting with 0.01 Bitcoin, $75 is all it takes. Come join us in the chat. Let me know in the comments if you're participating. Like this video if you're participating, and let's see what we can do in this next 4 months to see how much we can grow it. Obviously, for me, one of my goals would be a 10,000% gain, which is like unheard of, near impossible, right? But that would put me at one full Bitcoin. So as far as I'm concerned, my goal is to go from 0.01 to one full one, and to see what can happen in the next 4 months. And I hope you join me. Hope you have a great rest of the day, and come say hi. Peace.